Here's the dash cam. I put it on Velcro because I live in a rough neighborhood. This way I can just take it off, unplug it, and then I can hide it or take it inside and just Velcro it back up into place. That's it from the outside. Here's on the inside, and I did the same thing, just some Velcro so I can take this bad boy off, just unplug it and put it somewhere so no one steals it. I also like that I don't have to mount this from the top because it doesn't really go up there anywhere, and you can flip the picture around upside down so it's right side up. I really dig this little dash cam combo.